All right, I get this question every day, all day. How much money can you make as a trader? And I'm finna break it down how much money you can make a day as a trader. Because one thing about it, if we're being honest, trading is one of the highest paid fields, one of the highest paid skill sets, one of the highest paid careers. Okay? But when we go to talking about how you make the money and how much you can make a day, that depends on how much money that you have in your trading account. So put it like this. Let's say I got $1,000 in my trading account. I can make around 75 to 150 a day, and that's with proper risk management. Okay, now let's say you got $5,000 in a trading account. With proper risk management, you can make up to $500 a day, $600 a day. That's if you got a $5,000 trading account. Okay, now let's say you're a little bigger. Let's say you're a millionaire now. Let's say you got an account with like $5 million in it. Okay. Now you can start making. Now you making anywhere from between $100,000 to $200,000 a day. With proper risk management and all that type of stuff. Yes, that's how trading go. And the numbers only get bigger as the account grows. So let's say you get a $20 million account. You do the math. And you got traders that made $1 million in a day. They out there, they do it. I haven't done it, but one day. So yeah, it get like that. All right, I'm gonna give y'all some trading tips. Let's get into it. All right. One trading tip. Always wait on candle closes. All right. That's a confirmation. That's called a confluence. All right. That's the first tip. Always wait on candle closes. Second tip. Always use higher time frames. All right. Like it's cool trading on the 5-minute, the 15-minute, but the people that trade on the 5 and the 15-minute, they also know what's going on the 1 hour and the 4 hour and the daily. All right, the higher time frames. You know what I'm saying? Higher time frames are key. Time running fast. Hold on, I'm gonna give y'all another one. Watch what price does when it gets to support or when it gets to resistance. Pay attention to it. You know what I'm saying? Pay attention to wicks. Always have a stop loss. Always know you take profit before you get in a trade. All right. Always know how much you're willing to risk. Always know how much you're willing to win. Trading tips. Had to give y'all something real quick. How much money do you need to start trading? All right, I'm going to go and kill the narrative. I'm going to go and kill this fear that you had to start and all that. Because a lot of people think it takes a lot of money to start trading. A lot of people think, oh, well, I can't start trading. I don't have $5,000. I don't have $10,000. That's not the case. I don't know who started that narrative, but that is not the case. You can start trading today with $200-$300. All right? That's all you need. The main thing is to just know what you're doing. You know what I'm saying? Because you can put $200-$300 in an account, and then you could profit $75 or $100 a day if you know what you're doing, if you have the knowledge, if you know about risk management, if you did your homework. You know what I'm saying? So let's just kill the narrative that it take all this money to start trading, and I think that's what stops a lot of people. That is what stops a lot of people, because they'll come ask me and they'll be like, "Well, I ain't got $5,000." I'm like, I ain't. Who brought that up? It don't take no $5,000, man. You get that knowledge, get you $200-$300, you know what I'm saying, and you can start seeing capital. And then if you don't have the knowledge, why would you want to start out with $5,000 anyway? You want to start off with a decent amount that you're comfortable with, and you want to grow it. And that's how much you need to start trading.